Hi guys, welcome to the channel again. Today I want to share with you guys some of the granite countertops that we picked. We went to Planet Granite, I guess that's what's called. They sell a bunch of granites and they install granites. We were tempted to go through Lowe's, but it was kind of a little expensive going through there. But since we are contractors, I decided to just go directly to them and get a contractor price. So I went to Planet Granite to get these samples and come try to compare and put them in around my cabinet to see which one I like. Just wanted to hear you guys' opinions and see what you would pick with this color of cabinets and appliances. There's all different kind of colors and stuff. This one is called a Kashmir Carmel, and it looks like that. So far, I really like this one because when I put it next to this cabinet right here, this color right here looks, I feel like it matches better. And let me move a little closer. Maybe put it next to this one here. When I put it like right next to this, it looks nice. So that's the color of the cabinet. The lighting is not that great, but this one looks much better to me. Let me put it like maybe up here for you guys to see. If I put it next to this here. I think it looks much better to me. And then I did pick up these other colors as well. These ones right here. And this one was my second best when I picked the colors. It's got some, reddish, brownish type of things on it. But it's more yellowish to me, and I don't like the yellow looking tint on it. So I did not choose this one. And then I have, this one is super close to this. If you put it next to it, it's too much. It just looks too much to me. If you put it next to the cabinet so that you can see right there. The other one is a little lighter compared to this. So this is this one right here, and then we got this one here, and then I have this small piece. That's what looks nicer to me. So I just wanted to share with you guys and hear you guys' opinion. And I'm not the greatest with like interior designs and stuff. Coloring or colors and stuff is not my thing at all. So I just wanted to hear you guys' opinion of what you think. That's right there next to the cabinet. I like this one, in my opinion. I don't like the reddish too much, but there's like some blacks because I have stainless steel, and my stove is stainless steel, but it's got like some blacks on it. Like on the top here, the top is black. So I think this is going to match very nice. And then I have this big one here that looks like that next to that cabinet. So if you're an expert in interior design and would like to help out, pick up one of these granites, that would be great. But that's what I wanted to share. They're coming to measure this and install these cabinets next week. So I'm hoping that would match. If I put it right there, it'll look like that. This one is nice, but it's kind of yellow looking. One is something brighter. This don't have much yellow. It's more lighter, and it looks much nicer to me. Okay. Drop a comment on the comment section there, and let me know what you think and which one would you pick if you were doing this for your house. Those are the cabinets that look like that. All right. Thank you guys. Appreciate it.